Hi everyone, welcome to Day 8 challenge. Today we're going to tackle the hardest question, number 10. The answers are B, A, and E. Let's look at the first one. Joy has 30 thin rods, one each of every integer length from 1 cm to 30 cm. She places rods with lengths 3, 7, and 15 on the table. Then she wants to choose a fourth rod that she can put with the 3 to form a quadrilateral with positive area. So a quadrilateral with positive area just means a normal quadrilateral. How many of the remaining rods can she choose as the fourth rod? So first, everyone know there's a triangle inequality. That is, the sum of any two sides must be bigger than the third side. That's really easy to understand, right? Because if the two side lengths are not long enough, they cannot touch with each other. And similarly, we can deduce a quadrilateral inequality. So that is any of the three sides. The sum of any three sides must be bigger than the fourth side. Okay, so now let's assume the fourth side is x centimeters, and then we can deduce some inequalities. The first one, 3 plus 7 plus 15 must be bigger than x. And now let's pick up two short sides. So 3 plus 7 plus another x must be bigger than 15. Alright, and now let's find out the range of x. The first one, x should be smaller than 25. And the second one, x must be larger than 5. Okay, seems like we can choose all the integers from 6 to 24, so that means we have in total 19 choices. So is D the correct answer? Actually, no. You need to notice that we already used the 7 and 15 centimeters rods, so you need to subtract those two. So the answer is 17. We choose option B. Alright, let's go to question number 2. Suppose that row number x satisfies this equation, and what is the value of this expression? And look at the two expressions, they look super symmetrical. So the first one is the difference of the two radical expressions, and the second one is the addition, right? Super symmetrical. So in order to find it out, let's thinking about what if I do the multiplication. So let's multiply 49, the square root of 49 minus x squared, and minus 25 minus x squared, the first expression, and times square root of 49 minus x squared plus root of 25 minus x squared. And we just directly realize, oh, it's the difference of squares formula. So the first expression squared we find is 49 minus x squared, and the second part is 25 minus x squared. After you open the parentheses, you're gonna see the negative x squared and positive x squared, they just cancel out. So what is left is just 49 minus 25, so 24. Alright, we already know the first part is 3, so we do the division to find out the answer. 24 divided by 3, so the answer is 8, which is option A. Alright, let's go to the last. In a rectangular parallelepiped showing AB is 3, BC is 1, CG is 2. Point M is the midpoint of FG. What is the volume of this rectangular pyramid with base BCHE and apex M? Alright, in order to find out the volume, not hard to find, it's equivalent to half of the volume of this cuboid. And then minus the two pyramids E, F, and B, and H, G, C, M. And not hard to find the two pyramids are actually congruent with each other, so you just need to find one of it and times 2. Okay, so let's do this calculation. So first of all, half of the volume of this cuboid, and then minus, let's say, 2 times the volume of the pyramid, let's say E, F, and B. So first of all, it's half times 3 times 2 times 1, and then minus 2 times. As for the pyramid, the formula is 1/3 times base area times height. So 1/3 times, if you consider FBM as the base, and the corresponding height is EF. And as for the base, we do half times 2 times 1/2. So base area is 1/2, and then times the height, corresponding height EF is 3. Alright, so it's equal to 3 minus 3 minus 1. So the answer is 2, which is option E. Alright, that's all for today. Bye everyone.